stray halo glass on the table. Your shadow leans across my knees. You ask you leaving, I say soon. The band plays something soft and blue, so we steal one last slow dance like we met years in advance. Hands too careful, eyes too kind. All that we're feeling stays between the lines. One last slow dance, then we rewind our lives. Your tie hangs crooked, lipstick on my thumb. You laugh too quiet, like you might run. You say, what happens when this song ends? I say we vanish just like we began. So we steal one last slow dance, let the room fade out of chance. Names unspoken but our hearts reply. All that we're wanting never leaves our eyes. One last slow dance under borrowed time. If I ask for your number,
Look at these colors. Pop of colors. You know what's my weakness? You can see her. So pretty. I always get confused if I should buy more vases or not. And this time they have such good collections, such pop of colors. Like this one. This is too pretty. I am actually looking for a vase for my sunflower because I have a blue one that I usually keep my sunflowers in, but maybe I should switch it up this time. But the green one won't go because green petals to hoga hi. Let's see, I'm confused. I am planning to buy this basket. I don't know what use I'll make of this because it's just so cute. I know kuch to use kar hi lungi main. This one and one more thing. This for some storage I'll use it. I don't know the rate of this. मेरे को यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा. But this is for 748 discount होकर. So impulse purchase हो रहा है. This is one of my favorite mirrors on IKEA. But मेरे घर में already mirror है, so I cannot use this. And so pretty. This gives such vintage vibe. So I love this gold detailing. This is so pretty. Such vintage vibe this is giving. And it's just for 2000 rupees. I mean, मुझे लगा ये बहुत costly होगा, but oh my god, quality भी मस्त है. Should I buy it? मैं कहाँ रखूँगी इसको? No, I'll pass it this time. Cute ना this is, and it's for 200 rupees after sale. I think I'll buy it. Mirror, mirror everywhere. Entered one of my favorite sections in IKEA. Can you guess what it is? Let me show you. It's everything for the kids. Oh bhai, this is so calming. Ah. Oops, sorry. Do I need a soft toy? Do I need a soft toy? I already have a bear and a panda. I don't think I'll need one more. Lion le lu kya this time? No. Look at this. Wait, I'll show you a different one. I'll show you Ellie. So cute. Oh my god, snake है यहाँ पर.
Total is 125, ma'am.
Yeah. अभी मैं डालूंगी बहुत सारा शुगर और ಒಂಚೂರು ಹಾಕಿರಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂಚೂರು ಶುಗರ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಫಿ. Entered my favorite part of IKEA. Wait, I feel like I'm saying favorite for everything, but no, this is my most favorite because I have entered the crockery world. Oh my god. And first, this caught my attention. अरे ये तो बहुत lightweight है. Oh, this is plastic. Never mind. Never mind. Yeah, so let me explore. I had my coffee, now I have energy. So when it comes to my crockeries, I always try to take something जो नहीं है मेरे पास, like the colors, when it comes to colors or patterns. So this caught my eye, this color, pista green. But I'm not happy with the quality though. It's too बहुत पतला quality है. But the color is very nice. Let's see, I'll explore more. Plain grey with red in the borders. So cute, no? This is green in color and this quality is really nice. बहुत sturdy है. I don't have anything in this color. So vintage, but I think they are selling it in set में. Oh yeah, I'll have to buy set of 4. How much is a set of 4? Hey? 798 for 4? Yeah, 798 for 4. Hi, I think I didn't even make an introduction to this video, but I know you have watched a lot before coming to this part of the video, but if you're still here, then hi, I'm Manya and thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means a lot to me. And welcome to my Christmas vlog, because I'm just trying to capture things that's happening in Bangalore or things that I want to explore this Christmas. And so what did you see till now? I made a spontaneous plan to go to IKEA, and yeah, I went, and I was a bit disappointed because I expected a bit more because it is Christmas, right? So I expected कि थोड़ा decorations will be really nice or I'll get some good decor items as well, but that didn't happen. And then I was like, okay fine, let me check out crockery, they might have something Christmas themed. Again, disappointed there as well, but ठीक है, never mind. I went and I bought something. I'll show you guys maybe tomorrow, but right now it is 12:21 a.m. So it's the next day. What I'm doing right now is I am setting up a Christmas tree. I have never done this before. I've never set up a Christmas tree and I don't even know how to do it, but I've seen a lot of people do it, right? So it's okay, I can figure it out. But why am I doing it? Because I don't know, I really had this mood since last year. I think like
since 2 years I'm having this feeling कि मुझे Christmas tree लगाना है. Mainly because I watch so many rom-coms and Christmas is a big deal in that. A lot of rom-coms, okay? So a lot of New York-based rom-coms. Christmas is a big deal. And I was like, I want to do it as well. So I ordered a Christmas tree from Amazon. When it came, I just randomly just checked because just to see if anything is damaged. This came 2 weeks ago and I'm setting up it today. It's mid-December. What? I think it's 20th December. Yes, it's 20th December and I'm setting it up today. Before that, let me set up the mood. Christmas is you. So let's do it. Oh, also by the way, everyone is sleeping, so I have to be very quiet. In color theme was go white or like silver with pink. So I ordered pink bows, but the problem is these are too small. Like, these are so small. My plan is first I'll add other ornaments and then add these. And how do I add these? With the help of Fevicol, because there's no other way I can add a bow to this particular bow. I ordered icicles. Just look at them. It's so pretty. Pink balls. There are 3 shades of pink. I'm just gonna use this and this. This is too chatak. I don't want this. Or maybe I want it. I don't know. I'll just figure it out. So with the tree, right, they also sent this decoration, these hangings. Now these are a lot. Now in this I will use these 3. So I made progress and it's looking very pretty. Now I still need to add a lot of things, but I thought I'll start assembling the bows. Wish me luck, because I don't know if this is going to stay.
But let's try, right? So let's see, let's add the first bow, maybe here. I mean, it's Fevicol, it should stick, it should stay, but
I wanted to add a personal element to this as well. So what I am going to do is, if you remember last year or last to last year, I'm not sure, last year only I'm assuming, Kinder Joy collaborated with Harry Potter, right? So I got Harry and Hermione, so, and also the ghost, but I'm not going to use the ghost, only these 2, and I'm planning to hang them as well. It's finally done. I've done something and I'm kind of really happy with it. I'm so damn tired right now, but I'm so happy. It looks so pretty. Oh my god, my obsession with pink color is clearly showing here. I've decorated really well, man. For the first time, I'm happy. It's kind of looking clumsy, to be honest, but it's looking very pretty also at the same time. 2:34. It's 3 a.m. almost. By the time I clean everything, wash myself, I'm feeling so dirty. It will be 3. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. I have reached Cubbon Park. Now I'm gonna take an auto from here
Oh, I did not even tell you where I'm going. So I decided to come to a cafe just like a solo date के लिए. Oops, camera. So I decided to go to a cafe. I'll show you in a while. For a solo date. My hair is messy. It's okay. I'll make my hair later. So yeah, so I'm running late. I booked a table. Oops, I booked a table for 1 at 3:30. It's already 4. Oops, I came on the wrong side. I'll get down. Wait. Hi, so I made it to the place, but there's music playing here, and I forgot my camera's tripod. Inverted vada pav. Oh, what is that? But let's see. I'm still thinking. Also, how cool is their menu? It's like a storybook. So cute. I placed my order. I called for little pizzas and hot chocolate. I'm not that hungry. I just came here for the vibe. Yes, I love the songs that they're playing, man. It's such a good vibe. The place is so pretty. I want pictures. I really want pictures. First of all, can you hear me? And I also got some work with me. So I'll do my work and also read a book. I'm reading a novel. This is my second novel for 2025. I'm not proud of it, but yeah. Let's see. I thought I'll eat the pizza first, but hot chocolate came first. So. I think I need more sugar. This sugar freak in me. Right sugar. Yeah. Much better. My pizza is also here. They said mini pizza, small pizza, but ये तो बड़ा निकला. I was reading my book. I'll show you the pizza. It's so good. I don't think I'll be able to finish this. This is so big. Thank you. My phone eats first. I really cannot help this. Now that's out of the way. I wanted to film some content for my Instagram too. That is why this is happening. You see that bull? So good. You should be careful. I'm wearing white. So flaky. So they have a fancy grocery store inside, and I have come inside, and it's so pretty. They have all exotic vegetables and fruits. It's just fun to roam around, I feel. मुझे तो मज़ा आता है. Oh, how cute is this bag? Ta-da! This reminds me of PK. Oh my god, such a Bollywood person. Wait, I'm literally risking my life with my camera. My chola. This is fancy. finish, so I'm going away thoda sa. Oh my god, this is so cute. So, tea station. Oh wow, look at this. Milky Bar. Oh, nice. Christmas themed. So you can cut these. Cut karke. What is it? Just a DIY thing. Fancy. Oh, not just Milky Bar. All the chocolates. Olive oil के side में आई. Oh, crockery. I've come to my place now. Oh my god, crockery. They served my pizza in this. Sorry. These are so expensive, man. But also like good quality. I have to give it to them. I would buy it, but they have their branding here. This is so cute. The croissant was served in this. Breathe in.
Hi. So a lot has changed. So a lot has changed since I last checked in. What is this? This is not my room. I mean, this is my room. I've transformed it how much ever I could. But I'm just really happy with how it has turned out. Very simple. I had like very few items that I could just add. So I have added gift wrappers. Sorry, I have added some random dabba. I have covered it with such cute gift wrapper that I got from IKEA. Don't mind this. Very new packing. I didn't want to waste the wrapper because I'm not gonna use it right afterwards. This was the wrapper that I got from IKEA. This was for 64 rupees something. Yeah, see, Harry Potter is here again. This one I am confused if it's Hermione or Snape. I'm really confused because tell me in the comments. I really feel it's Hermione or Snape. I'm not sure. Confused again. Then I added a Santa. This is a bell. Pine cones. Snow. Icicle. Oh my god, this was so cute. Again, snow. Icicles. All icicles. For the last part of this video, this vlog, I will show you what I got from IKEA. So, first you saw that I got the wrapper, right? What? Duplicate flower ka. I think I vlogged it, right? I might have said in the vlog. So I got this. It was unique. This was the first time I saw. I think it's their new arrival. So I have a lot of vases, right? So I can just add it with this pop of color ki. And my most favorite thing is this pink basket. I will make use of this for sure. I have a lot of plants. मैंने wrapper भी नहीं निकाला, but it's okay. अभी के लिए use में नहीं है, so I've just kept it like this. And yeah, that's all I got from IKEA. Oops, so cute now. Background only, I'll say ki thank you so much for watching my vlog. So if you liked it, please like it, and if you feel like sharing it with your friends, then please share it, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram because I'll, of course, you know what I'm gonna say, I'll post very cute pictures there, and I'm more consistent there compared to YouTube. I don't know when I'll see you again, but until then, bye. Miss me.